In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can have a wireless remote control to start and stop recording on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Okay, this is a quick and easy way to show you how you have the ability to have a wireless remote control for this Pocket 3, and it comes with having this device right here. If you buy the Creator combo, it comes with this microphone, and this mic here has a lot of different features other than just being a wireless microphone for your Pocket 3. So say you're wanting to record yourself and you're on the other side of this camera and you can't reach around, hit the record button right there. You want to do it remotely. You can use this by powering it on. Okay, now it's powered on, and then that top button there, all you do, well, let me swipe this away. That top button there, you can start and stop recording on your DJI just by pressing that. So watch, we'll give it a try. Push that top button. There it goes. And then it's starting to record. And then push it again to stop. There you go. That's a wireless way to record, start and stop on your Osmo Pocket 3.